G'day, it's Rob here again. Well, in that last video I did, I reviewed this great little Stirling engine from Banggood, and it's just a marvellous little thing, beautifully made. And in the comments, there was one comment I saw that I thought was on the money. That was regarding the little burner here. And I mean, everything looks fantastic on this, except the way they've done the burners a bit cheapy. They've used a hexy nut to hold the wick mount, and that one wouldn't be so bad, except they've still got the serrations, the gripping serrations on the face of it, you know, where it pulls up against the job, which makes it look like a nut, you know. So the idea is it'd be a lot better if you machine those serrations off, and that way then it would just be a nice plain finish and it won't look like a nut, because you can't really see that it's a nut when it's in the little container. So that's what I'm going to do. And this is the job for the Sherline. So this is a good example of why having a Sherline, even though it's a tiny little lathe, it's super handy for little jobs like this. Okay, moving on. So there you go. Try that with your big lathe. Oh, the doves are out this morning, cooing and carrying on. They've been really noisy lately, damn things. Okay. Now then. Alright, I'll have to use a different cutter, I think. This is the cutter I leave in here most of the time. It's a little round nosed one, and they're a good universal cutter, but I'm not sure if I can get into the, I won't go into the edge of the nut, I don't think. And here's the nut. Oh yes, it will. That'll be okay, because it's actually, the serrations are set back from the centre. So all I've got to do is just, yeah, mount that. That's not too bad. Alright, we'll come in on that. Okay, so that's got that done. It's a great little lathe. I mean, it's so handy. Look at that, perfect. Great job. Okay, yeah, couldn't ask for better. So there it is, nice, clean, neat job. Yeah, just shows you how useful these tiny little lathes are for this sort of work. You could do it on a big lathe too. I could have done that on the bigger Chinese lathe, but you know, it just shows you if you're stuck for space and you just want a small, cheap little lathe, these little Sherlines are pretty damn good. Okay, Job done. Yeah, that looks better. Looks neater. Turned out well. Alright, that's it for now. See you next time. Cheers.